Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these oven-baked boneless skinless chicken thighs. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. We are going to make super easy recipe. These oven-baked boneless skinless chicken thighs are perfectly seasoned. I'm going to use my favorite chicken seasoning and we're going to bake them in the oven. And it's super easy, weeknight dinner for enough for 4 people. And let's get going. Let's do it. So I've got 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs in this bowl. And I love to cook with boneless, skinless chicken thighs. They are juicy, but they're still lean. So they are, trying to think of, so comparing them to chicken breast, there's really not a lot of difference. Actually, if any difference in the amount of calories in a boneless, 4 ounces of boneless skinless chicken thighs and 4 ounces of chicken breast. So if you are trying to, eat chicken breast just to save calories, you really don't need to, because these are just as low calorie, and the difference in taste is so much different. So much better. These are so juicy and just so delicious. Dark meat is just amazing. Chicken breast, they've got their place, but dark meat's where it's at. So we're gonna season these up. We've got 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1½ teaspoons of garlic powder, a teaspoon of kosher salt, a teaspoon of oregano, and a teaspoon of onion powder. So I'm gonna combine all of them in this bowl. And anytime you make chicken, this seasoning mixture is perfect. It is the best, perfectly seasoned seasoning mixture for any just basic chicken recipe. So now we are going to sprinkle it over our chicken thighs. And another thing, what I really love about boneless, skinless chicken thighs is they're just so quick to cook. These are gonna be ready in about 15 minutes. Chicken breasts take a little bit longer, and if you have bone-in skin on chicken thighs, they can take 30 minutes to get fully cooked. These are just so quick. These are really budget friendly too. So we're gonna flip them all over, and then we're gonna season the other side. Okay, these are ready for the oven. We're gonna bake them in a 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. We want the internal temperature to be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So here we go. And just like that, we have our chicken out of the oven. 15 minutes is all it took. And now you can have this as meal prep chicken, or you can have this for dinner for your family. I love to make chicken like this for meal prep. You can put this on salads, you can put it in quesadillas, you can eat it with sugar-free barbecue sauce. It is delicious. But let's cut into one and I'll show you just how juicy they are. Okay, yep, that's perfect. Perfectly cooked chicken. And I gotta get a bite. So juicy. It's glistening, as Gordon Ramsay would say. That's so good. So the perfect recipe to serve this chicken with is the baked feta pasta that I just posted the other day. If you're on Facebook, you can just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search for baked feta pasta. It's right here, and this will go perfectly with it. If you're on YouTube, you can just click this box right here and it will take you to the video. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.